AVV Nation, all of YouTube out there. My name is Patrick France, Senior Instructor here at VectorVest. Hopefully you all are doing well. Today, I wanted to show you guys out there the power of VectorVest and show you how easy it is to avoid these major sell-offs in your own portfolio, so that way your portfolio can really thrive and you don't have to deal with the headaches of having major losses. So if you're ready to learn more about it, make sure, as always, smash that like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and let's get right into it here today. Alright, welcome back everybody. So today's video is going to be pretty short, sweet, and simple. Hopefully that's your cup of tea because that's what VectorVest does best. We like to simplify your investing and help make it easier to understand, so that way you're not spending a whole lot of time managing your portfolio and actually free up a lot of your time so that way you can do the things that you enjoy doing in life. So right now we're looking at the VectorVest 7 homepage. And here at VectorVest, we believe that every investor needs to be aware of what the market is doing when making decisions for themselves on the market. So therefore, we always start right here on the homepage. Now, the homepage is going to look at the overall market timing. It's going to tell you when to buy and when not to buy based off the market timing gauge at the very top. But what we're going to be really focusing on is the color guard and the VectorVest market timing. If you're not familiar with VectorVest by this point, VectorVest has been around for about 35 years, and we've consistently helped our subscribers get into the market and out of the market within about a week or two of official tops and bottoms. And we're going to take a look today to see how the VectorVest market timing indicators have handled so far in this most recent sell-off that has really caused a lot of investors fear out there. So right here on the homepage, when you first sign into the VectorVest 7 software, we take a look at the color guard, and as we can see, it's a sea of red. And looking at the guidance, VectorVest does not advocate buying any stocks at this time. Simple as that. Now, based off the color guard, the second to last column is the trend column. And every single day we show two parts of the trend. The first part is looking at the short term or simply weekly trend of the market. As we can see, it's down, and that's what we call our primary wave. Then the last column here is our calls column, which stands for our confirmed calls. Now, our confirmed calls here at VectorVest are our most conservative timing system. They're our last signal we get to get into the market and our last signal we get to get out. So now that you guys have a little bit of an understanding of the VectorVest market timing signals, let's go take a look at how they handled so far in this most recent sell-off. So I'll go ahead, just simply pull up a market timing graph here. And as we can see, this is the price of the VectorVest composite. If you're not familiar with it, the VectorVest composite is an arithmetic indexed average of about 9,000 stocks out there in the US market. And we feel this gives us a better representation on what's actually going on in the market, because it's not just looking at the Dow's 30 or the Nasdaq's 100 or the S&P's 500, but it's looking at over 9,000 stocks all into one to give you guys a better picture on what's actually happening. So as we can see, here was the peak right around the beginning of November 9th to be exact. And down here at the bottom, I have different market timing signals that I can put on. VectorVest allows you the ability to select different market timing signals based upon your own personal preferences. So if you're a short-term aggressive trader looking to trade, in and out throughout the week, or, very short-term moves higher and lower, well, the primary wave is a great place to start. So if we take a look at it, as you can see, there's a lot of green arrows pointing to the up signals and a lot of red arrows pointing to the down signals. Well, the primary wave, once again, is our most aggressive signal here at VectorVest. A day after the high in the market on November 9th, we actually got a primary wave down, giving us a little bit of early warning sign as to what's to come. So we saw it take a dive, bounce back a little bit, came down lower, seeing these up signals throughout that short term bounce back, if you will, after the pullback or the sell-off. But then finally, we get another down signal on the 3rd of January. Got 1 day of a potential up, no follow through, and then down on the 13th and staying in that down situation as of today. So for an aggressive trader, this can greatly improve your results by knowing when to be long, when to be short, and being able to get in and out quickly. Well, as we talked about, we also have our more conservative signals to confirm calls. So I'll go ahead and just simply switch it down here at the bottom to the confirmed calls. And as we can see, there's the high in the market on November 9th. And looking at it here, that down signal came on the 22nd of November. And since that point, we've been in that confirmed down situation. Now, if you're tuning in for the very first time, ask yourself, Would you like to have started exiting your positions or taking your profits back on the 22nd of November? If so, click on the link down in the description below, sign up for the trial, and put the program to the test on your own. Seeing is believing, and once you put this to the test, there's no doubt in my mind you won't want to keep it. So make sure to click on the link down in the description below and sign up now. Also, if you're tuning in, you're a longtime VectorVest subscriber, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite market timing system is. Let me know how long you've been here, and also which one you prefer to use in your own personal portfolio. So getting back into it though, as we can see, we've had a confirmed down situation. We've been warning our subscribers to not be long or not start buying back into the market ever since this down date once again on the 22nd November. Now, to get a confirmed call, we have to see the market moving lower for one consecutive 5-day trading period, also a 5-day trading period over another 5-day trading period, so for 2 consecutive weeks, and our buy to sell ratio, which is an indicator that looks at the number of buy rated stocks in a database, the number of sell rated stocks in a database, has to be above or below 1. So if this looks pretty good, if this looks like this could have helped you save a lot of money, make sure to stick around, because not only do we give these down signals to help get our subscribers out of the market, but eventually when the market has enough consistency to show that it's actually gaining some strength to the upside, VectorVest will get you in utilizing that confirmed up signal, so that way you know you can start to enter back into some long positions to help your portfolio get back on track. So with that, that's going to take a look at our most aggressive and also our most conservative timing system. But one of my personal favorites is what we call the DEW system. It's more of a technical timing system, and it's more of that middle ground, shorter term or swing trade style of timing system. So let's go take a look at that here. At the bottom, we'll change it from confirmed calls to the DEW. And the DEW, we got a down signal here back on the 26th of November. Then we got a slight up chance, but never really got confirmation or follow through. And then we got a down signal on the 5th of January and been in a down situation ever since. So a little bit more of that middle ground here. Now, if you're not familiar with these rules, once you sign up for the trial, you can see the daily color guard report every single night, where we cover what's going on in the market today, what to expect for tomorrow, what news you need to be aware of, and also how to prepare yourself for the next trading day, and about a 5 to 10 minute summary every single night for you. And we break down all the rules of these timing systems. So if you're interested in it, make sure once again, click on the link down in the description below, sign up, and take a look at the daily color guard report, because it can really help save yourself a lot of time and get the information or usable information quickly, so that way you can spend, once again, more free time to do the things that you enjoy in life. So with that, I hope you all have enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And until next time, take care, adios, and toodles.
Yeah.